Hi, Dad here, and today we're going to show you how to make a FastPass reservation. Real simple. You can make a FastPass reservation using your phone, using your tablet, using your desktop. I like using the desktop for making them. Usually you're in the morning and you're trying to do multiple and you're in a hurry, and it just works a little quicker and better in a desktop or laptop. So here we go. We're going to sign in. This is the first thing you do. Well, let's just go back and show you up here at the top of the Walt Disney World page. There's a sign in or create an account, and we are going to sign in. All right, so here we go. Signing in, and up it comes. This is the Disney homepage. Now, we're going to go over to this when it comes up, My Disney Experience, and we're going to go down to Fast Passes. Okay, so we're getting the Fast Passes to come up. It's going to check for Fast Pass plans. I don't have any Fast Pass plans, so I'm going to get started. All right, so let's say, well, next week I'm going to Disney World, so let's just do a Fast Pass party of one. Me, I'm going to Disney World next week. Woohoo! And I'm going to be there on the 23rd. All righty, cool. And since I'm going to see Toy Story Land, I'm going to be in Hollywood Studios. So let's see what kind of Fast Passes are available in Hollywood Studios for next week. Beauty and the Beast soundstage, you can probably walk into that. Fantasmic, I've got to be on a plane coming home for that one. Rock and Roller Coaster has Fast Passes. Hey, 415 Rock and Roller Coaster. Hey, let's pick that one. That's a cool one. I think I might just do that one. Okay, yeah, I'm going to confirm that. I should have. Okay, so continue on the same day. And I should have done this a minute ago, but if you were going to say, let's say Mrs. Mom was going with me, and I wanted to get one for both of us, I could add people. You can add all kinds of people down here. Very simple to do to add people. You can add names. We'll do that on the next one too. All right, come on. Tell me what else is available. Okay, let's see. We like Muppet Vision, so let's put Mrs. Mom and I into Muppet Vision next week. Okay, there we go. All right, so we've got 2 Fast Passes now. Now remember, you can make 3 each day. The rules you can make if you're staying at a Disney hotel or a hotel on Disney property, including the Swan and Dolphin and the Disney Springs Hotel. If you're staying in Disney Spring hotels, if you're staying in one of those, you can make FastPass reservations for up to 60 days in advance. Everybody else, it's at 30 days. You have to have a valid ticket. Mrs. Mom and I have annual passes, so we can make them for any time. All right, so we're going to continue on the same day and make one more, and we're going to, let's just say I'm bringing somebody. Let's just say I'm bringing, well, this may not work, but let's just see what happens. I would like to, I'll enter their name and age. So let's say I'm bringing John Smith, and his age is, let's say he is 45. I bet he's 18 plus. Okay, I will manage. I will manage all the plans for this guest. I bet they can't find him. Let's see if it'll let me just put a random person number in there. Oh, maybe it will. Come on, Disney, quit thinking and bring it up. Okay, so John Smith. Yes, we can do that. Ooh, just a random name. It's letting us put Fast Passes in for a random person. All right, here we go. Come on. Okay, so remove. Yeah, they're not going to let me do just a John Smith because I need to make sure he's got tickets and all of that. So anyway, if you know somebody that's got tickets, you can go through rigmarole of adding them to your party. Okay, so we're going to make one more Fast Pass because we can make up to 3. Let's see what else is. Oh, Indiana Jones. Let's add an Indiana Jones. We got Muppet Vision, Star Tour. Oh, Star Tours. There we go. I like Star Tours. Okay, so we got 3 now for Star Tours. Three fast passes for Hollywood Studios on that day. So I am done. So now it's going to come back and tell me. So I can print this page out and that's it. That's how you make a fast pass. Real simple. All right, that's it. We'll talk to you later. Have a great day. Dad out.
Thanks so much for watching Dad's video. For more simple, fun, magic Walt Disney World information, go to Dad's Guide to WDW.com. You can do that by clicking the I button that's popping up on the screen right now. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel and get more Dad's YouTube videos with Daditude.